best prices on propane. Gotta get some straw to keep the dogs warm and some propane to keep the garage warm. What's happening, YouTube? It's been a long time, but the gloves are still dirty up here in Michigan, you dig? And we're at Tractor Supply. We need that for the ground. Absorb those wet spots so your dog's paws not getting wet and just wet and filthy. Don't you hate wet? Liquor store up the street from Tractor Supply got the propane tanks too. I paid $16. They shit is $36. Tractor Supply for the win.